I was recently asked to explain the steps that go into creating a rendering. What are the stages that we go through? Typically, it starts here. We get a flat elevation drawing from the architect, usually CAD or PDF. We take these 2D lines and transform them into a 3D wireframe. Every line you see here has a purpose. It builds a skeleton of what's going to come later. Next, we view it as a solid. This is our internal quality check to make sure that the model is watertight. No holes, no mistakes, just a clean 3D model. Every surface now gets tagged with its own ID. Think of it like a color by numbers that our render engine can understand. This gray version that we call clay render is often our favorite part. Just pure shape and light, no distractions, pure architecture. This is often the first view that we send our clients to make sure that we're on the right track. Now it starts looking real. We add materials, trees, environment, all in 3D. And here's the magic. We use AI as a final touch. It recognizes patterns like leaves and shingles, things that it can recognize from the real world, and it makes them ultra realistic. But remember, this AI, it's just a tool. You don't go from a 2D drawing straight to something like this. You have to know the steps in between to feed the right information to each step in the journey. So there you have it. Flat drawing to final photorealistic rendering.